YouTube? It's your boy T, back again with a Soul Supremacy mystery box. Today we're doing something a little different. My wife got this crazy idea for me to do a blind unboxing to test my skills to see how well I know sneakers. So we got a mystery box. This box is $750. She's over here cutting it open now. I have no idea what's in this box, man. $750 box plus the $50 shipping as usual. So we have an $800 Soul Supremacy box. I got so many of them rolling in. I figure I'll go ahead and try this little fun game out with her just to see if I know these shoes, man. This is weird. This is out of character for me, but we'll try it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be take this little headband of mine. I'm gonna cover up, blindfold my eyes, and she's just gonna hand me the shoes one by one. I'm gonna touch them, see if I can figure it out just by the touch of the shoe. And all these shoes will still be up for sale, of course, at TGOTSOLE for sale on the IG page, or you can just email me. I'll put all that stuff at the bottom, but when she hand me the shoes, I'll show you guys in the camera as I'm guessing, and I'll still have a price for the shoes and all that stuff down below like I normally do. And at the end of the video, I might be able to get y'all some better shots too. But man, we just gonna begin. I'm gonna go ahead and cover up and see if I can figure this out, man. She trying to test my skills on this. I can't see nothing. So I'm gonna see what we got here. I know I ain't gonna be able to guess the size. It's an $800 box, so I was kind of hoping I'd be able to know what some of this stuff is, because I know you normally get Yeezys or whatever. Let me hold this up so you guys can see. What kind of shoe is this? I'm going to say, and this right here throwing me up. Man, this kind of feel nasty too, touching on the bottom of these shoes, but I will wash and sanitize after. Trust and believe. I have no idea what this is. Is this shoe? I know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say Air Max. I want to say Air Max 270, but I could tell from this that's not it. But that's gonna be my guess on this shoe. I have no idea what this is, man. I'm normally just real cold with the retros. See, I would get a box. I don't know what none of this stuff is. The material on these feel good. This feel like, what is this? I'm trying to show y'all the shoes too, because of course I'm gonna put the prices for everything down below. This right here feel like this is a van. This is some Vans. These are Vans, I'm hoping. Vans. Yeah, I'm gonna say Vans. I was gonna say Nike Blazers, but I don't feel any check on them. So I'm gonna say Vans on that one. Again, lost in the sauce. What we got here? This is probably a whack box, because I don't have no idea what these are. I'm gonna say okay, it's a Nike. I can feel the swoosh. I'm gonna say a Dunk. No, that's so. Dang. What in the bootlegs going on here? I have no idea. I don't know. I don't feel like it's a runner because they don't even have no tag on the back. And this right here feel weird. I don't know. I'm trying to show y'all the shoes too. I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna say a Dunk. I'm gonna say a Nike Dunk. Next up. Man, what is this? This is a dang, I thought I knew what it was. This gotta be a Jordan 1. Jordan 1 all day. I can feel the stars. I feel the little Nike logo right here. Yeah. Feel like some little feet Jordan 1s. This right here. Oh, this. Okay. Yeah, I'm lost, man. I guess I need to step my stuff up. All I pay attention to is retros and Vapor Maxes. These feel like I'm about to go wild with this guess. I'm gonna say something. I don't know, man. Dang, this is stupid. Adidas ZX Flux. I know that's all. I don't know what that is. How many shoes we got left?
You got 2 more left, and you definitely not gonna know what it is.
She said I got 2 more left, and I ain't gonna know what this is or the 2 that's in there.
That's in your hand.
Oh, I ain't gonna know what these are in my hand. This has got a, what the heck? Feel like a Air Max, but it's heavy like a boot. Yeah, I'm gonna take a mulligan on this one. Huh? What is this? I hope y'all can see these shoes. I'm gonna post them down in the. I'm gonna take pictures and all that. I have no idea. I'm gonna say an Air Max 90. This is an Air Max 98, maybe. I don't know. No, maybe a 97. 97 or 98. I'm taking 2 guesses on that one. Yeah, this box probably trash. I have no idea. I got 1 pair of ones. I ain't no Yeezys in the box. I'm underneath this blindfold, low-key worried that I got a trash box because I don't know what this stuff is. What is this, man? Alright. What the heck? Oh, man. I heard Velcro. I'm totally lost. Goddamn. I don't know. Who put Velcro on the shoes still? I don't know what this is. Is that an air bubble? No, it's not an air bubble. I'm going to say... Man, this is stupid. This is at the bottom of the box? Mm-hmm. This feels like a...
It's a loose shoe.
Oh, this is a loose version. Oh, man. What is this? I don't know, y'all. I feel stupid even guessing because I have no idea. I'm gonna say some kind of Nike runner hiker shoe. And this right here is a... Y'all hear how I say that like I really know what it's about to be?
I think it's a money shoe.
She says she think it's a money shoe. Don't feel like no money because I don't know what it is. Is it dead stock? Because I'm touching all on the bottom of this one. It's dead stock. I can feel from the waist. I don't know, man. I'm not even going to take a guess because I feel like I can't guess. I'm about to pull this blindfold off. I don't know what it is, man. All right, here we go. You said this the money shoe? I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. What is it? Some kind of Adidas. This must be a Yeezy. I know I don't really keep up with the Yeezys no more. Oh, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Oswego 3D. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. I knew this was an Air Max 98. I knew this was a 98 or a 97. So I'm glad, well, it's a 97, huh? So I knew this was a Air Max. These Paul Georges must have been the crazy shoe. When I felt Velcro, I was like, nah, this ain't nothing. Because I ain't seen nobody talk about no new hype shoes with Velcro. And FYI, these, of course, are the money shoes. We got 2 pair of these bad boys. I still got the size 12 in women's. And what size is this? In women.
This is an 8.5.
Oh, this is an 8.5 in what? Women. Okay, so we got 8.5 in women in these. So definitely the money shoe, super dope. I've been stacking up on the ones. Okay, if they don't move, they'll just sit, and eventually they'll sell. A retro too, size 12. I'll put all the sizes too down there so you guys can. Of course, when I normally don't put the sizes below, but check those out. I'm probably standing way too close. Let me back up. I don't know what I even guessed on those. These right here. These are the what are these? I know they Kobe or Kyrie. I mean Kobe or KDs. Yeah, there we go. KDs. These are dead stock in a size 11.5, 13 in women. actually not a bad colorway. KD shoes always been too narrow for me. I was lost feeling this. Like, what is that, man? KD shoes is mad narrow. We got a New Balance 991. These are a size, I only see the US size 10.5. So my size 991. The New Balance. I don't know. They might be super comfortable, man. I know we go off looks and stuff nowadays. I bet they mad comfortable. They actually don't look too bad aesthetically. I mean, I bet they go with some great running shoes in the gym. And I think this is the last pair I haven't showed y'all since I took the blindfold off. This is a Nike Dunk Mid Pro SB, size 9.5. Like an old Dunk. What did I call it? Did I say Dunk on these? I think I did say Dunk on these. Yeah. Yeah, 9.5. So you never know with these Dunks. Let me step back. I keep getting too close to the camera, man. You never know with these, man. Sometimes they worth a lot of money. Sometimes they not. I don't know. I'd have to do some research. And this is my boy SB Mitch's lane. So I have to do some research and see what these are worth. I keep looking at these. This thing's kind of weird, kind of funky. These probably gonna go hard. Oh, dang. I didn't even see the bottom of these. What size are these?
10 and men.
These are a 10. Okay. These are probably I'm gonna take some pictures of these. I'm gonna post these on IG. These are a little different than what I normally post on my page. That's weird. All right, man. So like I said, everything will be up for sale in this box. No keepers for me. Hit me up if you need anything. Everything will be up on the IG page. TGOTSOLE for sale. If it's not on the page, I probably don't have it. I have not been posting on eBay. Been getting a lot of questions about eBay. Haven't needed it. Between Facebook and Instagram, I haven't been needing eBay at all. So make sure you follow the for sale page. You can follow the main page on Instagram. Also, if you don't mind seeing Fat Boy lift every now and then. And most of the shoes on there are not. Well, none of the shoes on that page is for sale. So if you DM me asking for shoes on that page, they are not for sale. That's either a personal pair or a pair that I got out of a box that I really just like, and they might be gone. Like, I don't even have them no more. So none of those shoes on that page are for sale. So follow the for sale page if you want anything out of this box. Appreciate all you guys watching. Thank you for the continued support. Make sure y'all go get my wife's book. Link for that will be down below. We still repping that thing to the fullest. Oh, and thank you, Miss Tabitha Brown, or if anybody know who that is, if she might look up and watch this video, I might tag her, do something. But thank you for everybody who supported that book, man. Make sure you guys leave a review if you did get it. I think it's like $10, $11 on Amazon for a hard copy. So yeah, the link for that will be down below. I think that's gonna wrap it up, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a little different. I got another box coming in too. It's a $700 box. It was like $650 plus the $50 shipping. Trying to get these videos out to y'all as fast as I can. I'm done rambling. I'm out. Peace.